Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share my Make It Beautiful swap that I received from Judy at my Scrapbook Loft here on YouTube. I will leave her link in the description box below so you can go check her out. So, she's just thanking me for joining her and Donna Dreams Times 3 monthly swaps. They both do it together, but they take turns hosting a month. They give you a theme to work on for the month, and then you send the items in before the end of the month. They mix them up and distribute them back to those who participated so you can meet new crafty creative women and have products that they've crafted. So my first swap that I opened comes from Susan Klein here on YouTube, and I'll link these ladies also in my description box below because they are creative ladies and you'll want to go sub to their channel so you can get much inspiration. So she was smart. Like, I didn't think to do this. She got her ugly cards from Mandalay Cards and More, her ugly paper. She was given these papers by Judy from Mandalay, if it makes sense. So these were the 3 papers that she used, and that was a good idea because on the other ones, I don't know what papers they were given to work with, to alter, to make better. So as you can see, this was the first one on her swatch that she made. And this is her ATC card. And then she made these 2 beautiful cards, Christmas cards, with these stickers here. She added some eyelash trim around this. I think this is polka doodles cut out. And then this is the paper she had to work with. And then on her second card, this is the paper she had to work with. She added some washi and polka doodles, I think, and then some gemmies. They both are beautiful cards. Very pretty. Thank you, Susan. This one here comes from Paper Kitty 99. She's Paper Kitty 99 here on YouTube, Instagram, Etsy, and Facebook. So these are the cards that she made. She added this ribbon here. This die cut, I don't know if it's, I'm not sure what it is. But this might be the paper she had to work with, and then she added another die cut. She might have took apart a Christmas card and then altered it up, which is a smart idea. So that's the inside, and then she has her information here. And then her second card is this one, pretty with the elves. It says Holiday Cheer. She added this die cut piece with this gemmy. She put this paper band here. And it's blank inside with her information on the back. And then her ATC card, Tidings of Comfort and Joy. This might have been the paper she needed to work with. But this is so cute. I love the pastel colors of Christmas. And her information on the back. So thank you so much. I will leave her link in the description box below as well. And the last swap I received was from Sabrina's Crafty Mom and Son. And look at how beautiful her card is. So those 2 cards, she embellished the envelope she provided. And on the inside it says Warm Holiday Wishes. And I think the same on here too. And then her ATC card she included. Look at how this is. Nice. It's very thick, dimensional. She's got some puffy vinyl stickers here. This glittered foam tree back here. She might have added stickles herself on this foam. She's got this light trim here. Merry and Bright. It looks like it's stickled a little. And then the elf. Cute. So she just has information that you share on the back of an ATC card. But this was the swaps I received back. I appreciate you, Judy. Thank you so much for hosting. I'm excited for this year. Stay tuned, guys. Go look for... I will leave Donna Dreams Times 3 a link to her channel. She's hosting this month, January 2021. You can get information there or watch for future ones. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe. Please like the video. Consider sharing it with a crafty friend. If you're returning, I appreciate your love and support. Welcome back. Please like and share for more videos like these you can see here. And until my next video, shakas!